How to set up TTL for records and practical use cases. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Time to live, TTL, is a crucial feature in data management that helps maintain data relevance, improve performance, and reduce storage costs. This podcast will walk you through setting up TTL for records in various systems and explore practical use cases. Let's dive in. What is TTL? TTL stands for time to live. It is a mechanism that automatically deletes data after a specified period. TTL is widely used in databases, caching systems, and DNS to manage the data lifecycle, ensuring that outdated or irrelevant data is automatically removed. Setting up TTL in databases. 1. DynamoDB. In DynamoDB, TTL can be enabled on a table by specifying a TTL attribute. Enable TTL on the DynamoDB table. This can be done through the AWS Management Console. Specify the TTL attribute. For example, use an attribute named TTL, which contains the epoch time value indicating when the item should expire. Here's an example. Table name, example table. Attribute definitions. Attribute name, ID. Attribute type S. Key schema. Attribute name, ID. Key type, hash. Time to live specification. Enabled, true. Attribute name, TTL. 2. Cassandra. In Cassandra, TTL can be set at the column level when inserting data. Insert into my underscore table. id, data, values, uid, example data, using TTL, 86,400. This sets a TTL of 24 hours, 86,400 seconds for the inserted record. 3. Redis. In Redis, you can set TTL for keys using the expire command. Set myKey some value. Expire myKey 3600. This sets a TTL of 1 hour for the key myKey. 4. Amazon S3. Amazon S3 allows you to set up lifecycle policies to manage objects automatically. This includes deleting objects after a specified period. Create a lifecycle policy. Go to the S3 Management Console, select your bucket, and navigate to the Management tab. Add a lifecycle rule. Define a rule to transition objects to a different storage class, or to expire, delete, objects after a certain period. Here's an example of a JSON configuration for a lifecycle rule that deletes objects after 30 days. Rules: ID delete old objects. Status, enabled. Prefix, expiration. Days, 30. 5. OpenSearch. Amazon OpenSearch Service, formerly Amazon Elasticsearch Service, allows you to set up TTL for documents using Index State Management (ISM) policies. Create an ISM policy. Define a policy that includes a delete action after a specified period. Attach the policy to an index. Apply the ISM policy to your indices. Here's an example of an ISM policy JSON configuration. Policy, description, delete documents older than 30 days. Default _state, hot. States, name, hot. Actions, transitions. State _name, delete. Conditions, min _index _age, 30D. Name, delete. Actions, delete. Transitions. Practical use cases of TTL. 1. Caching. TTL is essential in caching systems to remove stale data automatically. This helps maintain cache freshness and reduces the need for manual cache invalidation. 2. Session management. Web applications often use TTL to manage user sessions. After a certain period of inactivity, user sessions automatically expire, enhancing security and effectively managing server resources. 3. Temporary data storage. For applications that store temporary data, for example, one-time password verification codes, TTL ensures that this data is automatically deleted after a short period, improving security and reducing storage costs. 4. Data retention policies. Organizations can use TTL to enforce data retention policies. For example, logs or user data can be set to expire after a specific period, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations and reducing storage costs. Implementing TTL best practices. Choose appropriate TTL values. Select TTL values based on the data's relevance and application requirements. Avoid setting excessively long or short TTLs. Monitor TTL expiry. Regularly monitor the expiry of records to ensure that TTL is functioning as expected and adjust as necessary. Use TTL in combination with other strategies. Combine TTL with other data management strategies, such as archiving, to ensure a comprehensive data lifecycle management approach. Conclusion. Setting up TTL for records is a powerful way to automate data lifecycle management, improve performance, and reduce storage costs. By understanding and implementing TTL in databases like DynamoDB, Cassandra, Redis, Amazon S3, and OpenSearch, you can ensure your data remains relevant and your systems run efficiently. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.